An outdoor adventure is essentially incomplete unless you have a backpack full of the most creative and useful gadgets to help you along the way. You just never know what nature has in store for you and what kind of survival gadgets you might end up needing. Sometimes, you might be looking for a quick and effective way to light up a fire in the woods. And sometimes, a compass can be an absolute lifesaver if you happen to lose your way. We have a gadget here for all sorts of situations, so make sure you stick with us to the end to find out. As usual, links to all the gadgets are in the description below. Number 12. SOL Phoenix Survival Tool. This incredible survival tool is the most innovative and multi-purpose fire starting tool on the market. It incorporates the functions of more than 8 survival tools in a small and compact device that's super convenient to carry around. The tool includes a fixed blade knife with a serrated blade that can be used as a striker, a bottle opener, a size 3 to 7 mm wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. One of the coolest features is the compactness. You don't have to think twice before carrying it in your car or on any travel adventures. What's more, it features a cool survival whistle that you can use to signal for help in case anything goes wrong. It's exactly the kind of gadget your survival kit needs. Number 11. Nog Headlamp. Headlamps can be absolute lifesavers when you're out exploring the wilderness. The Nog Bandicoot Silicone LED headlamp is one of the best options you could go for that's perfect for a wide range of settings. It's great for night running, camping, hunting, fishing, and other adventures. The innovative engineering behind this gadget gives it a multi-angle, sophisticated design. Also, traditional fabric straps can be pretty annoying, especially when they stop working before the light even goes out. That's where the Nog headlamp really stands out. With its stretchable silicone band, you never have to worry about the device losing its strength or the need to constantly adjust it. Number 10. LLC Schrade SCA XC9 Large Axe. When it comes to wilderness survival, you just never know when a large axe can come in handy. Here's the LLC Schrade Compact Axe that can be a total game changer when you least expect it to be. The device pairs the functions of a full-size camp axe with a fully extending 12.5-inch folding saw that is tucked away inside the handle. What's more, the axe is a titanium-coated stainless steel blade with its plastic shaft filled with glass fiber. It's also pretty fun to use, thanks to the perfect grip for both the axe and the saw. Before you use it to saw, make sure you put the nylon sheath on the axe head and you're good to go. Number 9. Catch Survival Belt. An everyday carry tool concealed in your belt is the best way to ensure safety every time you step out of the house without attracting unnecessary attention. And the Catch Survival Belt is the coolest tool that can help you achieve that. It features a top-loading Velcro enclosure that allows direct access to items at any point along the Velcro pocket while wearing the belt. Also, thanks to the hook and loop closure, you can count on the fact that the Velcro has no single failure points. You can use the Catch Survival Belt to carry extra money or pack a compass whenever you go out. It's the ultimate everyday travel accessory that is a must-have in your collection. Number 8. Bison Air Lighter. If you're looking for the most convenient way to light up a fire for your next camping trip, the Bison Air Lighter is the way to go. It can help you light a wood fire in as little as 30 seconds, so if you're ready to enjoy a warm meal with your friends and family. It's also pretty ideal for lighting lump or briquet charcoal in a minute or even less. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or not, using this air lighter can help you sear your meat, caramelize sugar, and generally cook like an absolute pro. The Bison Air Lighter is also great from a safety point of view. You won't be needing lighter fluid anymore, which will not only enhance the taste of the meal, but also prevent burn accidents. Number 7. Brunton TrueArc 5 Compass. A compass can be one of the most useful gadgets on an outdoor adventure. The Brunton TrueArc is one that is guaranteed to help you out when you've lost your way and aren't sure where to go. It features the TrueArc Global Needle System, the characteristic form that we've been using for generations. What's more, it also features metric and standard scales and toolless declination commutation, making it an essential item in everyone's outdoor backpack. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a hiking enthusiast, or someone out for camping with your friends, this compass is the most reliable way to help you navigate. Number 6. B2 Dog Tag. This gadget might appear to be a regular dog tag at first, but it conceals itself in a military-style knife that can be an absolute lifesaver in times of emergency. You can wear the B2 dog tag around your neck or store it in your pocket. It's also incredibly lightweight, which makes it very compact and convenient to carry around. Even though it's small and handy, the knife is super efficient when it comes to getting the job done. In fact, it features stainless steel construction, making it very tough and stealthy. Versatile, durable, and functional, this device is everything you'd expect from a survival knife. Number 5. Striker X Combat Pants. What can ensure greater safety than combat pants that have been designed to meet the demands of military special forces units? These UF Pro Striker X pants aren't usually the kind of stuff you're used to seeing in survival kits, but their extremely rugged construction and super spacious pocket design ensure both reliability and comfort every time you're out on the most dangerous of adventures. Thanks to the streamlined structure of the Striker X pants, there is minimal risk that they'll snag on a branch or become caught on a barbed wire. To make the durability optimal, the manufacturers went a step further and double reinforced the pants at every point where they could possibly tear, split, or break. These pants are the most surefire way to ensure freedom of movement every time you go on an outdoor adventure. Number 4. Leatherman Raptor. The Raptor is an excellent way to ensure you're ready to face any kind of emergency situation. It's equipped with 6 essential tools, including folding emergency response shears, a strap cutter, a ring cutter, a ruler, an oxygen tank wrench, and a carbide glass breaker. Thanks to the specially designed sheath, you get to carry this gadget open or closed for simple and safe access wherever you go. You don't need to go out of your way to get a belt either. The pocket clip featured on the Raptor ensures that it'll never leave your side. Or if you're still not comfortable, you can attach the device with the integrated lanyard hole. Number 3. 10-point Nitro XRT. If you're looking for a way to become a sniper in the woods, here's a device that is the most accurate crossbow scope you can imagine. The Nitro XRT generates a 25% flatter arrow trajectory, making it not only fun to use, but also precise in its target. It features a center balanced design that allows its users to hold the crossbow steady on the target while ensuring less fatigue. This results in more accurate offhand shooting and greater downrange accuracy. The gadget feels like it's pretty much designed while keeping the needs and comfort of hunters in mind. The auto-engaging safety trigger features a consistent and crisp break, making the Nitro XRT super safe for regular use. Number 2. Stargear Bits Blade. The Stargear Bits Blade is your go-to everyday carry tool, and its ton of useful and commonly used features are guaranteed to help you out in one way or the other in a wide range of daily life tasks. The gadget features a pry bar, hex wrench, bottle opener, box cutter, blade, a scraper tool, utility knife blade, and other cool characteristics that make it super handy. It also has a pocket clip that makes it very easy to carry around, along with a nylon carrying pouch with a belt loop. The Bits Blade is definitely a must-have in your survival tool collection. Number 1. OXX Coffee Box. If you're a coffee addict, you cannot plan your next camping trip until you get your hands on this coffee maker. It's a single-serve device built to withstand the harshest environments and provide you with warm, fresh coffee regardless of where you are. This coffee maker is also a good idea to carry around on a job site, and you can count on it to serve you your warm, favorite drink at all times. The OXX coffee maker is comparable with all K-Cups and features a retractable 120-volt power cord. There are separate water and brew lines, which make sure the taste of your coffee is never compromised. Alright, comment below which of these survival gadgets you're adding to your collection. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.